I'm going to review a portable ice maker. And what makes this one so great is, I mean, it is truly portable. It's what, about 13 to 15 pounds. It's really super portable. Like that it has a handle on it, and the handle's removable, by the way. So let's get going on this. Fans on each side, and here's the spec information on it. There's the other side. And again, here's the front. Has a shaded cover. Helps keep the inside clean and from growing little funky stuff. It comes with a ice scoop and the ice basket. The inside, let me see if I can tilt this for you. Inside holds 5.5 cups of water. There's a drain plug at the bottom. I like the plug on here. It's really easy to pop out, and it's waterproof, watertight, and it's easy to plug back in. And it's easy to tell when it's back in there. It also has a little cover to keep any foreign objects from getting down in there. That would be in the upper part of that container. The cord is a grounded type plug for 120 voltage. I'm going to go ahead and plug him in. Press the on-off button. Let's go ahead and fill them up with water. Now, I like using filtered water so we don't get lime deposits and hard water minerals in there. And there's a max fill line in there. I don't have enough water for the max fill line. We'll go with what we have. You can hear it filling up. When it runs out of water, it's going to tell you. When it runs out of water, it's going to tell you there's an add water light here that'll light up. And when the ice is full, it's going to tell you right here. There's a light that lights up. And inside here, there's two little sensors. Inside here, there's two little sensors. One on this side that's black and the other one on this side that's clear. And if you cover those up or block them in any way, it's going to tell you that the ice is full. This is a good sized cube, you guys. This is about the size that you get when you buy a bag of ice. So this is very much a value item to have. This is a perfect item to have for your RV. You can take it to the beach with you and plug that into a converter or inverter for your car and run it off your car's battery. This guy is going to pump out some ice for you. So if you're going to have a party, go ahead and start it up a day or two ahead. Make plenty of ice. I keep mine in little bags like this. When it spits out enough to fill up the basket, I just pour it in the bag like that, and I'll pop it in the freezer. Now they're going to freeze together into a mass, and all I do is just mash it up like that, and it breaks up the ice cubes. And then I'll dump the next basket, and this will hold 3 baskets full, and this will cycle through 3 baskets full before you have to add more water. Now if you don't add water, what's in there, the ice will just continue to slowly melt and slowly feed more water to it, so it will continue to make ice cubes. Now it won't keep the ice cubes frozen for you. Just however much is in that basket will stay. Whatever, you know, what you have is what you're going to get. You're not going to be able to keep it indefinitely. Now when you're not running it, please empty it of water and let it dry so that you don't get funky smells and tastes. It does have a self-cleaning feature. If you hold the button down for, I think, 10 seconds, all the lights are going to light up, and it will go into a self-cleaning mode within 30 minutes. Now to clean it, you can use a mild dish detergent solution in a rag and just wash the inside. Rinse it really, really well. That's how I do it. And I let the soapy water drain out through the drain plug in the bottom. And I make a vinegar solution, and I let that vinegar solution run through and make some ice cubes out of it. And then I just dump those, rinse it with water again, and it's ready to go. You should only have to clean it probably once a week if you're using it every day and using clean filtered water. This is very much, like I said, it's a value item. This is something that you're going to appreciate having. It's perfect for outdoors, for your parties. Keep it on your patio. Keep it in your garage if you do, art workshop. It's perfect for that. John's going to take this one to work and keep it in his office so he doesn't have to go back and forth to the ice machine when he wants a nice cold drink. I like this little thing. And just full disclosure, we were asked to review it. The company that we got it from is called RWFlame. So check out their website, rwflame.com. They have so many cool items for your home, and they have industrial size ice makers, so you know that this company means business when it comes to their ice makers. Thank you for joining us. Chef John's behind the camera. I'm Rebecca. This is the ice maker by AGLUCKY. That's the name on the back, and we got it from rwflame.com. Thank you, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave us a comment, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, and most important of all, share. That's not the most important. The most important is please come back. Bye.